Well, today we're out here. We are looking for a couple of cars that we've heard about. Actually, there's some cars that I've been talking about for a really long time. One is an old Bronco. We think it's a first generation Bronco. And the other one is a Mustang GT. The Bronco, I actually asked if they wanted to sell it about 10 years ago. And the answer back then was no. But you know, 10 years time, just keep asking, and every now and then the answer changes.
Where?
Over there in the bushes. Well, I'm sitting here inside of a 72 Bronco, and it took a little while, but I think we got the deal worked out, and we're getting ready to pull it out of the woods. It's been sitting here for, I don't know, 10 years or so. Before that, it was in a barn, and then he sold that barn and put it out here in the woods. So the body's a little rough, but it is the 302 V8. It's got the fiberglass truck top on it, and it is a cool old truck. It is rough, but it is cool. I talked to the guy. He said there only has about 2,000 miles on it since he built it, and that was like 30 years ago. And then he broke something in the engine. I think he's saying a rocker arm stud or something broke. And after that, he was just kind of fed up because he had just built it, and so he just parked it, and it's been sitting ever since. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing home and get this thing fired
Hey, Jojo.
Woo! Nice in there. Man. Cool car, but it is rough. Oh, the interior is not actually that bad. GT, I had one of these before. The last one I had was a police car.
What year did they say this was?
They think it's a 96 or 97. It'll clean up. You put it through the car wash about 10 times.
20 times.
Get rid of all the mice, the leaves. This is all from squirrels or mice or something. It's gonna run. It's gonna be fun. It's been a great day. We got one tow truck here for the Mustang GT. And the first guy that came actually didn't bring a tow truck. He just thought he was gonna jump it and start it, but we told him, you know, it needs a little more work than that, but it turns over good. It's got good compression. So I think this one is gonna be pretty easy to get back on the road. And so this one's going home, and the Bronco is sitting up there at the front waiting for its truck. And both these were sitting out here on this farm. This Mustang was actually sitting in this horse barn over here with the white horse. It was parked right next to the white horse, so it's kind of cool to have the Bronco and the Mustang and the horse all hanging out together on the farm. So it's been a great day. We're gonna get both of these out of here and take them home.
Tell us about the adventure. We saw horses, dogs the size of horses. I met new people today. It was absolutely amazing. And we got two great Ford ponies. One's an actual pony, a Mustang. The other one is a Bronco.
At the two project cars we've been working on, the 98 Mustang GT and the 72 Bronco, both of those came off that farm. Well, let me give you a real quick update on what we've been working on. This is the 98 GT. So you can see it is now running. We got some more work to do on it. And then the Bronco back there, we ended up pulling the heads off, taking this thing down to a short block and rebuilding the top end of this engine. And we also had to go through a bunch of the systems. All the wiring was completely shot. So we went through and rebuilt a bunch of the wiring. The brakes were shot as well. All the wheel cylinders were locked up, and all the brake lines were rusted through. So we ended up putting all new Nycop brake lines on it, new wheel cylinders, all that kind of stuff, repacking the bearings. We got this thing, I think, ready to fire up today. It's been a lot of work. It's been a long process, but this is going to be a really awesome truck. I got Jack out here again today helping me out on the old Bronco, and we think we have pretty much everything back together, and we're getting ready to do our initial startup. It'll work. Fire it up!
All right, we got fuel. 14 volts, so it's charging the battery.
Awesome.
Smells a little bit like burning mouse coming out of the exhaust.
So there you go, a lot of hard work on this one. We took this engine all the way down to a short block, built it back up with Jack's help and a bunch of his Mustang parts. Thank you, Jack, for that. And now it runs so smooth, so just gotta work through a few more things, button it up, and we are gonna be driving the 72 Bronco Farm Fine. Thanks for watching, keep firing it up.
Smells a little bit like burning mouse coming out of the exhaust.